Welcome back to Hoshi Bro. I am your host, Hoshi. Today, I am at a beautiful park. As you can see, it's a very nice park. Here's my dog, Rocky. Here's my mom. And he's just trotting. And it's like a very windy day. It's a pretty windy day. This is the path. I can hear some birds in the trees. Nice bird sounds. But, so, how is everyone's day going? Pretty good, I hope. And my day's going just fine. I went to see the Power Rangers movie. It's a very nice movie. I loved it. So now, I'm going to give you guys a Breath of the Wild. Well, not really the wild. I'm just in a park, so see you guys later. Enjoy the nature's sounds. And the sunshine shines so brightly. Dogs roam with their owners in these types of woods. Path that leads to nowhere. Listen. Do you hear that? Something under there. Something is under there. I think it's a Pokemon. Because I'm not playing Pokemon Go, I just think someone's looking for a Pokemon. Pokemon are real. They live in Japan, Tokyo, China, and anywhere else you can think of except for the following states. The reason why I said no states is because you can find Pokemon anywhere. Let's keep moving. As you can see, the mom has asked me to hold the dog.
Be careful, he pulls.
And she has warned me about the pulling of a dog. He pulls, but with no strain. I overpower him.
How do you do this?
It's a powerful method that only I, and I alone, know how to do. I know how to take control of a dog. With a mother, too. I can take control of anyone and anything if I could. We keep walking down and see other houses. Maybe you can see some houses. Those are houses only for the rich. Just kidding. And look at that leash. That leash totally messed up. That leash is totally messed up. The leash is totally messed up. As the dog is being this little duck boy, I walk and see the mom with the dog.
How does this happen?
Nobody knows how it happens. As you can see, there is a trash can. Very nice. A wrapper. Very exquisite. As you walk to a forest land, we walk.
Hold the bag like it's a flag.
And the bag is a flag. As we walk. Walk through the forests. We walk. These forests are peaceful. And as you can see, a valley in the distance. Very nice. And as we continue on our nature walk, we can see beautiful flowers, a tree, and a pole. And there's a thing on the pole, and it says, "Please keep your dog clean." I always keep my dog clean, even though I don't have one. Just kidding, I do. So let's move on. See another pole. And what is that? I'm gonna zoom in on the camera. Zoom. As far as it goes. Amazing. Something I have never seen. Hard to find too. As we keep walking. See another tree. We see the moon dog once again. As we keep walking on our beautiful nature walk, we see more. As you can see, some of these are different from others. A lot of bees, including a dead frog. No, I'm just kidding. As we walk back down the nature trail, the same valley we saw before, houses in the distance, a very nice, peaceful, serenic way of life. But I have only one thing to say to you all people. Who cares for nature? I'm not a nature tracker, okay? I don't want to be, and everyone, I love nature, but I have to walk here with a camera for 7 minutes. Like, come on! Seriously, come on. 7 minutes. A manager could do better than that. Also, I don't have a manager. I'm my own manager. I'm gonna hire a manager soon, but, yeah. I don't have a manager. I really don't. Thanks for watching this Nature Rock. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys later. Bye.